Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This video discuss about how to check your citation in Web of Science. Every researcher should publish your research paper after completing your research. Okay, then only you can uh, encourage to world. So I am trying to give you the performance of your citations and research activities in previous video for Scopus ID. Okay, in this video I give you demonstrate to analyzing your citation in Web of Science. Whenever you publish your research paper in Web of Science indexed journal, that will be indexed and that will be showing in Web of Science record. Okay, so the Web of Science is a very famous and globally indexed database. So Web of Science is the world most trusted indexing database. Okay, so there are many indexing terms are available like SCI, SCIE, and ESCI, and etc. So hence this will be the first as far as my idea, which means as far as my term, this will be of the most trusted website. Okay, so it's a published independent global citation databases. Okay, so research id you can create, how you can create a scopus id like that you can create a research id in Web of Science. Okay, so this Web of Science only analyzing what are all the paper in published, which means the researcher published in uh, Web of Science indexed journal only. The research id will be calculated, which means analyzed your metrics. Okay, so the research ID is used for metric for evaluating the author scholarly output or performance. Okay, measures quantity with the quality by comparing publications to citations. Okay, so this is a very important when you are go for any research funding or any research related company. If you are want to join any research related companies or any research activities conducting, means this will be very helpful to you for analyzing your records and get meriting in various terms. Okay, so this video I give you some demonstrations for an understanding of the how to research id create and how to manage and how to import and how to analyze your performance like this. Okay, before sharing demonstration, please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribing, because then only you can get more video regarding our research related activities. Okay, uh, first of all I would like thank to all the viewers and subscriber to viewing my channels and subscribing to my channels. Thanks once again. Okay, so we go for our demonstrations. Okay, you can search research id or uh, research id. Okay, Web of Science research id or Publon. Okay, you can get this researchid.com. So this is an research id. Okay, this is a website for creating the research id. Welcome to the new Web of Science research id. If you are not having the research id, means you can create your research id. Okay, so already I have, but I show you a demonstration for how to join or how to register in this Web of Science. Okay, if you are not having id, means you can try to register yourself. Email, password, retype first name and last name and captcha. Yeah, you can create with the help of these things. Then you can go to login. The verification mail will be sent to register your mail id. After evaluating that link, you can get the your login id and password. So I registered kevaluswami85 at gmail.com. Password is I created. Suppose if you not having any publication indexed in Web of Science, means that will be not showing any records. If you have any publication, means that papers will be automatically uploaded into your research id when you are using same id in both research id and your paper. Okay, So the suppose if mail is mismatch means that will be not indexed, which means that will be not arrived into our research id automatically. Okay, so if you are trying to use the both mail id for paper publication and also uh, what email address for the web of science means equal means that will be considered as a same thing. So if you are using same mail id in both these things means automatically your paper will be added into your research id when you are publishing your paper. Okay, so you can go to sign into with Publon. I have already the login id and the password, so I'm trying to sign in myself. So that will be loaded to shining. All other things will be having Google research id also, which means ORS id. Okay, after creating your login id you can log in with the help of your login id, username and password. Okay, when you are creating your login id, that web of science and research id will be automatically uh, created by the web of science. Okay, so this is my id which is automatically created by the web of science when I am creating my account. Okay, so after login your ID, you can track your citations. Track my citations. Okay, so I have only one paper in Web of Science, financial prediction using backfusion neural network. This is the only one my paper. So I searched. So this my paper is showing here. Okay, if I need to search means now itself. Now itself I can get. So here showing my paper. Okay, this is a publication date, so you can see the details of your published paper. Okay, again I told you, when you are publishing your research paper in Web of Science indexed journal or conference paper, okay, then only you can see the Web of Science website. All the Web of Science having lot of indexing terms like science citation index, expanded, emergent source citation index, and arts and humanity citation index, book citation index. So there are many lot of indexing terms. All the indexing terms comes under the Web of Science. So these kinds of indexed journals you are publishing in these indexed journal means you can get your paper list of papers in this research id comes under the research id. Okay, so view all the terms of. Okay, so here I'm mentioning author Kalichalli Veluswamy Gomadi. Okay, so this is my co-authors things will be showing here. Publons square. So suppose my Web of Science core collection citation. Suppose my publication is getting a citation. Those cited paper will be indexed in Web of Science only, showing here the citation score. Okay, with my paper is did not get any citation from Web of Science indexed journals or conference proceedings. Okay, so you can view citing article also. If your paper will be citing by the web of science indexed journal means you can those paper will be showing view citation article terms. Okay, so you can see the view profile also. Okay, suppose you are clicking, that means you can get some window for showing. I have a 5 applications. Okay, but in this is only indexed in uh, Web of Science. Okay, here mentioned Web of Science. This is all the my application, but this will be only indexed in Web of Science. Okay, so another term is settings logout notifications. Here is available summary of the researcher, metrics of the researchers. Okay, impact factor of the researchers. My research work only on by publications. Okay, so time cited, mentioned in this color, and this color is used for publications. So here you can see the publication of your papers. Okay, and the peer reviews. If you are doing the research, any review means review history is mentioned here. Okay, so you can browse in various types: publication, journals, institutions. You can publication search in. Publication means you can search with the help of title. Okay, for example, here your means we can search financial stock market, financial stock market, financial predictions. Sorry, financial predictions using back propagation neural network. Yes, showing here. Okay, November 2018. The name of the title. All related articles will be showing here. Okay. Here is mentioned the Journal of Physics conference. Okay, if you have any citation means that will be showing here. You can search with the help of appropriate related area, and also you can search exact name of the journal. You can search by using the DOI, digital object identifier. Okay, there are four type of accessing terms. So then is institutions, journals, publications. Again, journal. What are all the journals indexed in Web of Science? Suppose the name of the journal, publishers, all those things are showing here. The final one is generate Publon CV. Okay, your profile is making the PDF format. Suppose you want to download your whole publication list means, which means your evolution metrics, your all the progress of your research work will be starting to end date. I give you the 2016 to current year. Okay, I want to ask the PDF format. If you need any format mean you can get. I can download means generate, that will be showing my whole the profession. This is will be helping to reader or other peoples for evaluating and knowing your profile. Okay, so that will be converted into PDF file for sharing the social media also. Okay, I Publon, the generating data also mentioned here. My research ID, Publon ID, my research ID of Web of Science also SOE. My last applications, which means current applications. This is the Web of Science details. This is other than Web of Science. All this will be showing here. The list of the publications. This only indexed in this published paper only indexed in Web of Science. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel means, then only you can get some ideas and upcoming videos about research related activities. Please share with your friends. If you like means, please like and comments. If you have any comments means, or if you have any doubt means, you can raise your comments. That will be solved by me as soon as possible and making the video for your questions. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for everyone, thank you.